I don't know what the hell fiber is.
I love the honesty, I feel you. All right, guys, we are back with another episode of Street Smart with Rachid. I am your host, Rachid Kareem Shatti. We are here today on the iconic Santa Monica Pier. I'm going to walk up and down the pier asking these lovely people of Los Angeles some health-related questions. Let's see if we hand out some cash today and find a winner. What's your name and where are you from?
I'm Will, and I'm from New Jersey.
I'm Fabian, and I'm from Germany.
Samantha, and I currently live in Connecticut.
I'm Daniel. I'm also from Germany.
Billy, same thing. From New York originally, Brooklyn.
I'm Kiara. I'm also from Germany.
Yeah, I'm Rob. I live in Queens currently.
Hi, I'm Jana, and I'm also from Germany.
My name is Moniqua. I'm from Buffalo, New York.
You a Bills fan?
Yeah, you have to be being from Buffalo, so sure. Yeah, why not?
My name is Glorious, and I'm from Buffalo, New York as well.
You guys feeling smart? You feeling ready?
Yes.
Which STI is most common worldwide?
I don't know.
I was waiting for the clap.
Is it A, HPV, B, syphilis, or C, HIV/AIDS?
I say B. I say B, syphilis.
I think it's syphilis.
Yeah, I don't know, honestly. I would have thought AIDS, but I don't know.
I guess also it's syphilis.
I think it's HPV.
I think it's HPV.
I would go for A. I would say A.
Okay, so you're guessing HPV.
We'll go HPV.
You're lucky that you two are together because it is HPV. I'll give it to you guys. You're right. Democracy rules. It is HPV.
HPV is very common. I know that. Like HPV, herpes, things like that.
We're going back to food knowledge here. Which of these foods has the most fiber?
I don't know what the hell fiber is.
I love the honesty. Is it A, white rice, B, apples, or C, white bread?
I would go for the white bread.
Well, I would also go for the white bread, I guess.
Also white bread.
Let's go with that.
Maybe apples?
I'm gonna go with apple.
I'm gonna go with apples.
Yeah.
Ding, ding, ding. That is correct. The correct answer is actually apples. Ding, ding, ding. That is correct.
Okay.
Most of the fiber in white bread and white rice is removed to get the white color. 2 for 2.
Surprisingly, I know that.
All right, guys, final one. Which kind of food molecules provide most of the energy in your body? Is it A, protein, B, fat, or C, carbohydrates?
Carbohydrates.
No hesitation for Fabienne. We got carbohydrates.
Carbohydrates.
C, carbohydrates we'll go with.
Carbs.
Trust the fam here, C.
Protein?
You're lucky she got it already. It's carbs. It is carbohydrates. Right.
I knew it, but I wasn't confident, but I did know that. Like, I really knew that.
I was going to say, you sounded confident. You rounded up.
A little nervous, but I did know that.
You guys not unfazed by that one. Carbohydrates is the correct answer. It is C. 3 for 3. Our 4th winners of all time. The fam. Clap it up, man. Well done. So, got a little 20 ball for the two of you.
It's her birthday, too.
No, it's your birthday? No way. You, because we got a little 20 ball for the fam there. There we go. The cash prize.
It's only 20 for me. Just so you know.
We're the Cusano family. We just won the Street Smarts Challenge. Thank you, Dherbs.
I'm Jana.
I'm Kiara.
I'm Daniel.
And I'm Fabian.
And we just did the Street Smart Challenge, so thank you.
Dherbs.
Hi, I'm Moniqua.
And I'm Glorious, and we just won the
Street Smart Challenge. Thanks to Dherbs.
that part. And today's my birthday. Check them out, and I am $20 richer.
All right, guys, that wraps up another episode of Street Smart with Rachid. We had 2 winners this episode. Got to hand out a little bit of money today. It feels good. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Please tune in again next time for another episode of Street Smart with Rachid.